my food. I love the round ones and the square ones and the soft ones and the crunchy ones. I'm down here. And I also love my water. Hello. Hi, I'm Blossom. I like to run in my tunnel. I like to wee in my tunnel. I like to roll around my wee in my tunnel. I don't know who he is. He keeps on following me though. He just never talks to me. It's quite annoying. Hello, I'm down here in my tunnel. Hamster! I'm trying to teach him how to speak, but he just won't listen. Hamster! 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 Oi, where are you going? Oi, hamster! So they've covered my favourite toy with catnip in the hope of getting me to play. Don't they understand? I've got a house to protect. Can't be playing. Not even with this catnip. That's mine. No, I still want it. It's mine. Give it back. No, I don't know why you're look, you gave it to me. I don't know why you're taking it off me. Stop wiggling it in my face, would you please? Just give it back. Ugh. Finally. Give it back. Give. Oh, why would you do that? Give it there. Do you know what? I don't want it anymore. Stroke me.